Subscribe to my channel.
Appearance: Anya is a short young girl with fair skin and captivating green eyes. Lloyd initially describes her as appearing about 4 to 5 years old at the oldest stone. Her petite stature sets her apart from her peers. Her large, oval-shaped eyes hold an air of intelligence and curiosity, framed by prominent eyelashes. Anya's shoulder-length light pink hair curls inward, and she has a small strand of a hodge, that adorable little cowlick, at the top of her head. When Lyd first met her in the orphanage, she wore a simple black dress with a white redress with a white redress. This outfit remains her preferred choice when at home. Personality: Anya is a telepath, which means she can read minds. Her abilities were accidentally created in an experiment conducted by an unknown organization. Despite her extraordinary powers, she maintains a reserved demeanor. She keeps her emotions hidden, perhaps as a defense mechanism. Beneath that cool exterior, Anya harbors a passion for chess, a game that mirrors her ability to anticipate moves and strategies. Role in the series: as the adopted daughter of Lloyd and Anya Forger, Anya plays a crucial role in their double life. She knows about their secret missions but keeps it hidden, fearing they might abandon her too. She attends Eden Academy under the guise of helping Lloyd's mission, Operation Strix. Anya's interactions with her classmates, such as her best friend Becky Blackbell and her admirer Damien Desmond, add depth to her character. Sound designed to create a fitting sound for Ann Cinder, blending intelligence with a touch of Chiu, Huaidegi, Wei Tirami Sain Warakoyer at a super Kuoutsider. Whether through your sketch or the accompanying sound, aim to capture the enigma that surrounds her. And hey, if you need more creative inspiration or want to chat about other characters, feel free to ask.